Hey, Dr. Scott here with your weekly health tip. This week we're going to be talking about stress. Interesting that when I was in school, in chiropractic school, that one of the largest chapters in our anatomy and physiology book have to do with stress, because stress is the real deal. We have stress every day, all around us. It's really a matter of how our body is able to deal with and adapt to that stress. For someone to say they don't have any stress, that's not realistic, because we have it around us all the time. So stress is one of those things too. It's not like if you fall down and you hurt yourself or you get injured, in an athletic event or something like that, your body immediately starts to heal. With the stress, it's there all the time. It really never goes away. So it's really important to understand the benefits in regards to chiropractic care and dealing with overall stress and how your body adapts to it. In fact, there were studies done in the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy in 2014 that stated that showed that chiropractic adjustments reduce specific hormones in the body which carry stress and allow subjects who receive adjustments to circulate more calmly, chemistry throughout the bloodstream that helps reduce stress in the body. It also takes stress off the nerve system, which allows the body to be more balanced between your sympathetic and your parasympathetic nervous system. So very important. Interesting note too that today's average high school student measures the same level of anxiety as an institutionalized psychiatric patient in the early 50s. So to think we don't have stress is really, you're fooling yourselves. We have stress. We need to do as many things as we can to help our bodies adapt to that and deal with the stress. So some of the things that I've done here is 5 additional tips to maximize your chiropractic adjustments and reduce stress in your body. Is number one, obviously nutrition is key. So one of the real simple things you can do is eat avocados and foods containing good fats. Good fats are healthy for you, really help your body adapt to stress. Engage in grounding, walking outside on the grass or dirt or sand with your bare feet. Really important to do this. There's a lot of information out there in regards to how beneficial grounding is. The other thing is, in our area, it's warm most of the year. You can swim in an open body of water like the Gulf or the Sound or the bay or a lake. Not pool water that has chemicals in it, but these natural bodies of water is actually better grounding than just walking with your bare feet on the ground. So move the body. Any form of exercise registers as good movement. Deep breathing. Practice deep breathing 2 to 3 times per day for 10 breaths at a time. So guided breathing, and I'll show you, I'm going to talk to you about that in just a little bit more in a second. Increase healthy exposure to sun. So that actually increases vitamin D exposure in the body, so it promotes vitamin D just being in the sun for 10 to 15 minutes a day. So really, really important there. So as I said, I'm going to talk a little bit more about this deep breathing, the HRV, EliteHRV.com. So this is a heart rate variability app that you can go on your phone. All you need is a simple chest monitor to a telemetry unit that basically connects to your phone. So Elite HRV is an app for your phone that helps you determine your heart rate variability. So heart rate variability is actually the small beats or micro beats in between the larger beats. And they found that this is a very useful app to tell you how your body's doing in regards to stress. So it tells you what the balance is between your sympathetic and your parasympathetic nervous system. It literally takes 2 minutes in the morning to determine that. A lot of athletes and elite athletes are using this. I use this for my training to tell me what days are best for me to train hard and what days should I go easy. So you can also use this to determine how stress is affecting you, because it's very sensitive to stress, emotional type stress in the body and what your body's going to, as well as the physical adaptation and stress you're going to as well. So, and it also has deep breathing app within this app that helps you with guided breathing. So it actually helps you guide you through a deep breathing exercise. So very useful app. Go to Elite HRV, which stands for heartrateVariability.com, and you can get set up on that literally in a few minutes. It doesn't cost anything. It's a free app. So I hope this is helpful to you, and we'll see you next week on the next tip. Dr. Ewing signing off.